Choose the right underlayment beneath ceramic tiles based on your subfloor to prevent movement and ensure long-term adhesion. For a concrete slab, use a thin set mortar bed over the slab or directly bond the tile with an appropriate thin set and a cementitious backer board where needed, making sure the slab is flat within 1/4 inch over 10 feet and free of curing membrane or excessive moisture. Apply a liquid latex or polymer modified thin set when adhesion is a concern, and always perform a moisture test with a calcium chloride or relative humidity probe to determine if a vapor mitigation system is required. Over wooden joist floors, install a cement backer board or an approved exterior grade plywood underlayment fastened to joists to eliminate deflection and squeaks. Then float a 1-part cementitious mortar or use an uncoupling membrane that allows the tile to move independently of small substrate movements. Uncoupling membranes work well over plywood and thinset directly because they decouple shear stresses and prevent cracks telegraphing from the subfloor. When using them, bed the membrane into a full coverage, thin set, and press tiles firmly with a back buttering where needed for large format tiles. For wet areas and showers, always use a waterproof membrane over the structural substrate, and above that, place the tile underlayment as specified by the membrane manufacturer to maintain a continuous waterproof plane. Ensure cement backer board joints are staggered from the tile joints, taped with alkali-resistant fiberglass tape and thin set, and follow manufacturer recommendations for screw spacing and joint reinforcement. Always follow the tile and thinset manufacturer specifications for maximum deflection limits, recommended substrates and setting materials to keep warranties valid. Common mistakes include using standard interior plywood with excessive deflection, which causes cracked grout and loose tiles. The fix is to stiffen the floor, or replace with exterior grade plywood, or install an uncoupling membrane and correct joist spacing to meet 1/20th span limits. Another frequent issue is ignoring moisture from concrete slabs, which leads to bond failure. The solution is to test moisture levels, use a vapor mitigation primer or membrane when needed, and allow proper cure times before tiling. A third problem is improper thin set coverage beneath large format tiles that results in hollow spots and breakage. Resolve this by back buttering the tile. Using a proper notched trowel size to achieve full coverage and performing a round-trip adhesion check a few hours after initial setting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources related to tile underlayment choices and installation best practices. We host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experiences, recommendations, and project photos to help homeowners and contractors find the right fit for their next job.